Welcome to this video. I will show you how the integration between MarketProvider and Figma helps create consistent, data-driven product infographics in just a few clicks. The first step is to open Figma and create the templates we'll use for infographic generation. In our example, we'll use 3 templates. The first template features a lifestyle image, product name, 3 key selling points, and the maximum load capacity. The second slide presents the product line name, materials used in manufacturing, and furniture dimensions. The third slide includes our standard benefits block along with a photo of a specific product. To link your Figma templates with the attributes from the PIM system, you need to name elements in Figma in a specific way. For example, to import an image, the element in Figma should be named using this structure. Start with a hashtag, followed by the attribute name, then a vertical slash, and the name of the group it belongs to. Now let's switch to the PIM system and see how this should look there. Let's open any product and locate the attribute we want to use. In this case, it's the main image found under the Basic Attributes group. Let's repeat the naming rule. In Figma, we name the element using the attribute name and its group, separated by a hashtag and a vertical slash. For example, we'll use the product line from the General Attributes group. Back in the PIM system, we find the line of the product inside the General Attributes group. Once all attribute connections are set, we're ready to generate our infographics. To do this, we first install the official MarketProvider plugin for Figma. Go to Plugins, then Manage Plugins, and search for MarketProvider. Install it, and the first step is to log in using the same credentials as in the PIM system. After logging in, we need to select the templates we'll be working with. Once selected, we'll see a confirmation that 3 templates have been chosen. Next, go back to the PIM system. Use the category tree, search, or filters to select the product list you want. Then copy the URL from the browser. Return to Figma, paste this URL into the plugin's URL field, and click Submit. Now we'll see a list of the products we selected in the PIM system. If everything looks good, click Generate. After a short wait, the system automatically generates infographics using the specific attributes for each product. Once generation is complete, you'll see a slide created for each product, each containing unique data pulled directly from the PIM system. At this point, you can make final adjustments, resize images, tweak the text. And once you're happy, you can export everything back to the PIM system. To do that, select all generated slides, go to the Export tab, choose your company and the media attribute where the images will be stored. Then, pick the desired file format and click Export. The transfer to the PIM system begins. Additionally, you can download a zip archive with all exported files. Finally, return to the PIM system, open any of the products, navigate to the attribute where the image was uploaded, and you'll see the infographic generated in Figma. This way, we've streamlined the entire visual content creation process, from data to design, with the power of MarketProvider and Figma. Thank you for taking the time to review our solution. We truly appreciate your interest. As the next step, we can provide you with a 14-day access to the MarketProvider platform. This trial period will give you enough time to explore the interface, test the core features, and see how well the solution fits your business needs. If needed, we'll be happy to walk you through a live demo and help you get up to speed quickly.
MarketProvider.